What is going on, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today we have this 2016 Chevy Malibu, and today we have a complaint about the radio blacking out and pretty much the whole dashboard, and then followed by a check engine light. I believe the code it's a P0305 F or something like that. I'll put the code right here. So I'm gonna take the car for a test drive and I'm gonna show you what it's going on with this car. Let's go. Alright, so the car right now it's at the stop, and we're gonna cruise a few miles until we get the car to do the auto start feature. It's when you get to a stop and then the car will shut off, and then once you release the brake pedal, the foot from the brake, it will start, and then you will see what is going on. So I'm gonna do this in a closed road because I'm like in the city area, so it's kind of difficult to film and paying attention to the red light and all that. So let me just get to a safe place and I'm gonna start performing this procedure. Alright, so I'm cruising already and I'm about to do a left turn. So I'm going to just go on this road really quick, and I have this road that it's lonely, so let me just go to, I'm gonna stop really quick and you're gonna see right now what I'm talking about. Alright, so here we go. Let me just get to this place right here. There's no car coming, so I'm gonna stop right here. I'm gonna simulate I'm gonna be in a stoplight or something, and it will turn off. Come on, turn off, and nothing. So let me just go a little bit more forward and stop. So the car is already in the off position, and watch what's gonna happen. I'm gonna leave my foot from the pedal, and that's what happens. Followed by the check engine light that is right there, and the code that we get. Let me just go right here in the scanner, automatic trouble codes, and let's check this out. So this is the problem we have: engine hood, dual battery, performance. That's the problem we have, that code right there. Alright, so how do you fix that code? Well, the way you're gonna fix this code is by replacing the battery on the back. Alright, so the battery is located right here, and let me show you what they did. So as you can see, this is not the original battery. This is another battery, different from the original, and that's the part number. But this is not the original battery. You need the original battery for this thing in order to make the auto start work. If you don't put the right battery, you're gonna have a bunch of problems. And well, if you want to get rid of this, there's a kit they sell where you can cancel the whole auto start on this car. Yeah, also check your front battery, because these cars have a lot of problems with the front batteries too, and the back ones. And if that doesn't fix the issue, then there's a kit that you can install, and that kit goes on the front of the hood. It's a little plug that connects to the hood sensor, and that plug is gonna cancel the whole auto start in this vehicle. So I'll leave the link in the description where you can purchase this canceller for this type of cars, and then you're gonna avoid a lot of problems. If you don't like the auto start feature too, you're gonna disable it forever. And even if you want it back, then you just gotta unplug it and plug your original plug back to it, and it will work fine once you fix the issue with the battery. Alright guys, so I hope this information is helpful for you. I've seen a lot of people struggling with this problem, so if you have this problem, just give it a try, and well, I wish you the best luck. Alright guys, so I already got the connector. As you can see, this car uses the big plug. If you have the newer models, I believe 2016 and forward, I think it uses the new style. But as you can see, we have the check engine light on, And well, this car is salvage and it has the airbag on. Also it needs air in the tires. So I'm gonna go to the hood and let's get this installed. Alright, so all you gotta do is unplug your original plug, and then you're gonna plug it here, and with the zip tie supply just gonna put it like this, and we'll be ready to go. So I'm gonna erase the codes right now, and let's go for a test drive. So the bypass is already installed. Let me just turn that off because it's annoying, and let's check the codes. We're gonna erase the codes. You can see we have 4 codes, and well, it doesn't say the definition because it's not recognized, but as I show you, it was the hood switch the problem with this. So we're gonna erase the codes, because if you have the check engine light, well, it will not activate the auto start. But now that we have this disabled, it says 2 codes remaining, but that's gonna be permanent. Okay, and engine hood, blah 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 blah. Let's just take it off. Erase. Come on. Okay, so now we're gonna take this car for a test drive. And as you can see, we have the check engine light off. So let's go for a test drive and see what's going on. Hopefully, I'm pretty sure it's gonna fix this problem, because they are annoying with this light. They don't like it a lot. So let me just go to a safe place and we'll see what happens. Alright, so I'm on the stop right now, and it's red right now. So let's just wait a little bit more, and I'm gonna start driving until I get to the next one, and we'll see this car. What I wanted to do is not to stop and turn off the engine. That's pretty much what I want. So let's just give it a moment. I'm gonna take a while here. Alright, so it's a go. We're going. We're 40 miles per hour. And I'm gonna make a turn right here, or a left turn. It's green, but it's gonna be stop. Okay, alright. So I'm gonna stop right here. See what's gonna happen. So I'm fully stopped, and the engine's still running. Alright, all good. Alright, so the car's not gonna turn off anymore. I'm gonna do another stop. So I'm going 40 miles an hour. I have a car behind me, but I'm gonna stop in a empty street right now. So I'm cruising right now. I'm cruising, and I'm gonna make a stop right here. So I'm gonna fully stop and completely stop, so the engine's not turning off. All right, so this will be pretty much the end of the video, guys. This is how you disable the auto start on this 2015, I believe, Chevy Malibu. Pretty much all you need to do is buy that bypass cable and plug it in, and you will be ready to go. If you want to buy the cable, I'm gonna leave a link in the description where you can purchase it. I got it from Amazon, so and it came the next day if you have the Prime. And yeah, I hope this helps you a lot. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the information, and don't forget to subscribe, comment down, like the video also, and well, I'll see you on the next episode. Bye.